Okay, any question from Holland? Could Hazur say something about the way in which man in belief, in a spiritual, mystical way, is united with God?
Repeat the question, please.
Could Hazur say something about the way in which man in belief, in a spiritual, mystical way, is united with God?
Very strange question. Tell me, why have you ceased to represent Germany? And since when have you gone over to Holland to start representing Holland?
We got this list of questions from Holland. That's why I presented, inshallah, when Hadayat comes.
They came to you, this question?
They came to Imam Sahib.
So he, I understand now. Right. It's his fault, you know. He could have given this question to anybody, or he himself could have, spoken on the subject. Anyway, spiritual, mystical way. This question is very mystical, rather misty, because I can't understand this. Is it possible for one to be close to God in a spiritual, mystical way? Perhaps it is the faulty English which creates this problem. Perhaps what he requires to know is that mystic Sufis, like many Sufis who were born in Turkey, they reach God, or they claim to have reached God, in a manner which is not the manner of Ahmad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, by following Sharia. But deep in their thoughts, they reach God in a mystical way. This mystical way is definitely false. Any contemplation on the image of God during the prayer, as was said by Ahmad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, or during one's contemplation on Allah's love during outside, this is quite sufficient for us. Any mystery beyond that is people's innovation. We do not believe in that.